varicose veins, excess fat, so many more వచ్చే వాటికి I want to prevent అని ఉంటది కదా, that helps you out to keep continuity. So so yeah, it's not easy. No one will come to support you. Yes, it is the same with me. It is the same with me. Nobody is waking me up. Come on, Anita. Come on, go for cycling. Come on, Anita, go for walking. You need to prevent all this అనేసి ఎవ్వరు సపోర్ట్ చెయ్యరు. You have to do it for yourself. Yes, I did for myself. I told to myself, you have to do it for yourself. Nobody will support you. Why will someone come and tell us? No, we have to tell to ourselves. You have to do it for yourself. నీకు మంచిగా సపోర్ట్ ఉందని అందుకనే సైక్లింగ్ కి రాగలుగుతున్నావు అంటారా? ఒక ఐ మీన్ ఎస్, హౌస్ హోల్డ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చేసుకుంటూ ఇవన్నీ చేయడం. ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ ద హౌస్ హోల్డ్ యాక్టివిటీస్. ఐ డూ క్లీన్ అప్, ఐ డూ కుకింగ్, ఆల్ ద హౌస్ హోల్డ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఐ డూ. ఆల్ ద హౌస్ హోల్డ్ యాక్టివిటీస్. శ్రేయాన్ ఆదర్శ్ కి చదివించడం, everything. As a mother ga, we need to do many household activities, many more. I do all this, including physical activity. I'm doing. I'm not excluding all the household activities. I'm including physical activity. Doesn't work out. I do all the household activities along with that. Why Anita? Why only household activities chestene taggutunnama? Are we reducing? No, it was not with me. Even I was doing in overweight all the household activities. Reduction chuledu. That's why I've started this lifestyle modification. Then I have seen the result. Now I don't want to stop. Why? Yes. Every day 45 minutes of physical activity is must for everyone. So I want to keep it. Continuity. Yes, obviously. Along with all the household activities. Taking proper care of Shreya and Adarsh. This priority. Keeping my health in priority. Reason is taking proper care of Shreya and Adarsh. I want to be healthy. To take proper care of Shreya and Adarsh kosam I have started this lifestyle modification. Me reason enti? Yes. So mine 45 minutes of physical activities 2 days is done. What about you? Bye bye.